What's up? In this video, I want to provide a better way to set up a watch list for those who are just beginning to explore the world of trading. So, typically when we think of watch lists, we usually think of something like this, which is a list of ticker symbols, including percent increase or decrease, and a change in dollar amount, which is basically what most trading platforms provide out of the box. However, if your trading relies on technical analysis, such as support, resistance, and chart patterns, then this isn't really an effective way to monitor the stocks that you have lined up. So instead of this list format, a better way to monitor the stocks that you want to trade is by setting up a grid of charts that you have on a separate monitor. And what this will allow you to do is directly watch each stock for entry signals. Now on mine, I have a grid of 12 stocks with each chart using a 5-minute period. So each candlestick is a duration of 5 minutes. Now, watching 12 stocks is a lot, and some people may find it to be too much, such that they end up missing really good entries. So what you may want to do is reduce the number of stocks that you're watching down to, let's say, 2 to 6, or whatever feels most comfortable. In which case, you could reconfigure the setup such that you have fewer stocks, but with either bigger charts for clarity, or with even multiple time frames. And the benefit of watching a stock across multiple time frames is that while you may not see a good entry on one time frame, such as the 5-minute chart for a particular stock, you may find one on the 1-minute chart. And of course, these time frames are just examples. So if you're swing trading where you're holding for days or weeks, you might, for instance, use the daily and hourly chart. Or if your holding periods are even longer, you might use the daily chart and weekly charts. Ultimately, just take this concept and adapt it to suit your needs. So any direct access broker with a professional grade trading platform should provide you with the flexibility to do this. So I'm using Trader Workstation, which is provided for free by Interactive Brokers, but other platforms such as Dash Trader Pro or Sterling should all come with this capability. And if yours doesn't, then you may want to consider changing to a different broker. Now, even though I don't use it to directly trade off of, there are some really good uses for this list style of watch list, like keeping tabs on the major indices such as the NASDAQ, Dow Jones, and S&P 500. And this is important because they can act as leading indicators and provide hints as to whether to focus on going long or short, or even when to exit a trade if the indices change direction. In addition, if you have positions that you're holding in other accounts, it can be an easy means to keep an eye on them without having to specifically log in and watch them directly. So if you found this helpful, leave a like, and I'll see you next time.